Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how I have built the connection between Typeform and my Pipedrive CRM in such a manner that whenever I receive a new form submission, automatically the details of this lead is added to my Pipedrive. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this setup so that you do not have to lift any finger to manually add the details and keep the track of these details, then let's start creating this from the beginning step by step. Here in this video, we are going to see how we can build the connection between Typeform and Pipedrive in such a manner that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a contact is created in my Pipedrive account. For this, we are going to build the connection between these two applications using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in the browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you some tasks free on monthly basis. You can use the tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Connect Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find my workflows over here and the folders over here. If you wish to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create from scratch, name this workflow as connect Typeform to Pipedrive automatically, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select Task Forms Automation and then click on Create. Here, workflow is created successfully. As soon as I click on Create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever there is a new form submission, automatically a contact should be created, which means whenever there is a new form submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Typeform, and following this trigger application in the action application, I will be taking Pipedrive. In the trigger event, I'm going to select new entry and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Typeform. Choose your account. I have already logged in my account, so I'm going to authorize this, and you will see Typeform will be connected. Here it is, connection created successfully. Typeform is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the form. In the drop down, you can see all the forms. So I'm going to select it as registration form, and then I'm going to click on save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response. And now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do that, I'm going to do a form submission. So for that, I'm going to copy the link of this form and paste it in a new tab. I'm going to do some dummy form submission, and all the details should be captured here in this workflow. So here I'm going to enter some details, like I'm going to enter my first name as demo, the last name as lead, then I'm going to enter my email address as demolead1267@pabblytudes.com. Then I'm going to enter my phone number here. The phone number is this, and then I'm going to click on this submit here. As soon as the form submission is done, all the details should be captured in the workflow. I'm going to open my workflow here. Let's wait for the webhook response, and 6 seconds ago we have captured the response. If I scroll down, you can see all the details I've captured. The name was demo lead, and then we have the rest of the details, which is email address was demolead1267@pabblytudes.com, and then we have the phone number. Here, as soon as we have received the details, we can see the connection setup is working fine, and now whenever there will be new form submission, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new form submission, I want to add that to Pipedrive. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in the action application, I'm going to search for Pipedrive. In the action event, I'm going to select create a person and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then you have to enter the API token. To get this API token, open your Pipedrive, go towards the profile, click on this personal preference, and then click on this APIs. Copy this API token and paste it over here. You will see the connection will be created with the Pipedrive of this Pabbly Connect, and here it is. Now I have to enter the details. I'm not going to enter the details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. To map it, I'm going to enter / go towards this Typeform and then enter the name. So the name is this demo, and then I'm going to enter the last name, which is this lead. Then in the label, I'm going to select customer. I'm going to skip this label part, and then I'm going to enter the phone number. So the phone number was this one, and then I'm going to enter the email address, and the email address was this demo lead 1264@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to skip the organization owner. I have not received the response. In the visible to, I'm going to select item owner, click on save and send test request. Here I have received the response, and this response is the positive one. Let me quickly open my Pipedrive. On the left hand side I have the contacts. I'm going to open this, and we have created this demo lead. So if I scroll down and click on this edit, you can see this is the same email address, demo lead 1267@pabblytudes.com, and this is the phone number 7373, and the name was demo lead. Here we have built the connection between Typeform and Pipedrive using Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation, and before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below, and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.